I'm going to make Amazon style packing slips without a POS system. First thing you're going to need is a thermal printer. They're all crap. Zebra makes a really good one. And then if you do want to try to network these things, the cheaper ones are going to be almost impossible to network. It's really tough to do. So what I recommend is just buying the cheapest one and just buying 2 of them. A lot of times that's the best way to do it, and it's going to give you the less amount of headache. And then like I use like ShipStation, so it's got like built-in printing software that connects multiple computers together. So it kind of eliminates the need to network your thermal printers. So that's pretty much what I do, and it works pretty good. You just have to change a few things with these crappy printers. These iPrint label holders aren't going to work with the thermal paper that we're going to use. So what I had to do is I had to actually remake the reel that the thermal roll sits on. I designed it in Fusion 360, and if anybody wants one, I could send you the file. You can 3D print it really quickly. I work in a machine shop, so we just made it on a machine really fast, and it works really good. But you will have to do something about that because the thermal rolls will not roll on the reel that they provide with this label holder. You're going to need 4-inch wide thermal paper, and Amazon really didn't have a lot of good options for 4-inch wide thermal paper, so I ended up having to go to like an outside vendor to get something. You will find a lot of thermal paper on Amazon's website, but a lot of it's smaller. It's all for like receipt printers and everything, and I don't know. I just didn't have a lot of luck with it, so I just went somewhere else and got some, and now I've got it for a long time. Okay, now you gotta set up your printer settings, and this is pretty easy. It may vary based off the printer, but they're all pretty standard. All I'm doing here is just setting the printer so it only prints on the whatever data is sent to the printer. Sometimes they'll want to be set to like 4x6, and it'll like print a lot of extra blank space, and you just want to try to get rid of that. And then once you do this, you're just about done. That's all you really have to do. And then you can just start making your Amazon style packing slips.